Hello travelers, so today I thought I'd do a quick guide on how to unpack your bags. So this is a topic that I haven't actually seen many videos on, so I thought it would be great to get a video out on this just to help you all when you are arriving at your destinations to unpack your bags. So the first step is obviously have a bag that is packed. Grab the two zippers, slowly unzip them like so until they are fully unzipped. Open up the bag and you will see the first of your bags. So to unpack your bag, just take it out of the bag and place it out. So you have unpacked one of your bags. So next step is to grab the zips again, just smoothly open them all the way around until your bag is fully unzipped, and then unpack your second bag. Okay, so the next stage is very similar to the first. Just go ahead, locate the zips, hold them firmly, and then just unzip them all the way around until the bag is fully unzipped. Open it up, and you have your final of the bags. And now your bags are fully unpacked. So this is how to unpack your bags in a very simple and efficient way. So if you do have any questions or comments on this, or if you have your own method of unpacking, do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.